Question: which country becomes the first place in the world to enter the year 2026? A. Australia, B. New Zealand, C. Kiribati, D. Fiji. Answer is C. Question: how many trademark registrations did India record in FY 2024-25? A. 3.5 lakh, B. 4.2 lakh, C. over 5.5 lakh, D. 6.8 lakh. Answer is C. Who won the Best Men's Player Award at the 2025 Globe Soccer Awards? A. Lionel Messi, B. Kylian Mbappe, C. Ousmane Dembele, D. Cristiano Ronaldo. Answer is Ousmane Dembele. Question: the IFFCO Young Literacy Award 2025 was presented to whom? A. Ankita Jain, B. Midula Garg, C. Pratibha Rai, D. Krishna Shobati. Answer is A. Question: the IFFCO Sahitya Saman 2025 was awarded to which author? A. Pratibha Rai, B. Midula Garg, C. Krishna Shobati. Maitreyi Pushpa. Answer is D. Maitreyi Pushpa.